Hi, I'm Johan from KEF. I'm responsible for KEF brand and presenting the product. What we have in front of us here is the KEF R series. In terms of positioning, it can be seen as the junior reference. But technologically, R really has its DNA from the KEF blade. When we talk about a premium line like this, it stands to reason that we expect power and dynamics. Look at the bass drivers. They are really directly related to the bass drivers on the KEF blade. Take the subwoofer, for example. We use diametrically opposed twin bass drivers which are bonded together in a force cancelling configuration, just like the KEF blade. All the models in the R series use a UniQ, as you can see here, which is very, very similar to the UniQ which we developed for the KEF blade. We've trickled down that amazing technology as far as possible, and by the look, you can see the similarity. I said that for almost all the models, we use this UniQ because they are three-way, full three-way designs. There is one exception, and that's the smallest model. Let's have a look at that now. Here you can see me holding the baby of the range, the R100. It's the only two-way in the R series range, and therefore uses a slightly different UniQ with a larger Z-flex to allow more cone movement for both mid and bass. Precision and simplicity at the same time. That's what R series is all about. On the technical side, the cabinets, let's consider those. They have to be damped to ensure that they're properly braced to stop vibration. We use a technology called constrained layer damping. This is new. Through a lot of research, we can tell where to put in strategic places damping panels of different material and different thickness in the right places. It's that amount of attention to the finest detail. The ports at the back of the R series use a technology called computational fluid dynamics. It's a long term, but it's actually rather a well-known technology, more in use in, for example, the car industry, where we have to look at how air flows over a car body shape aerodynamically. In terms of a hi-fi loudspeaker, if we have a port at the back of the speaker, the more basically loud it plays, we're getting more air flowing through the tube. So very, very careful shaping of the port ensures that that air flows cleanly without disturbance and therefore no chuffing noise. On the simplicity side, what do we mean by that? Hopefully it's obvious. The R series possess amazing elegance and clean lines, which have been very, very carefully designed, from the beautiful flush aluminium trim rings to the blade-like bass drivers and the gorgeous UniQ, all makes for beautiful, elegant, premium loudspeaker line, which is very, very flexible, just like our medium price Q series, but with a hell of a lot of more performance, so much more performance that they are almost at our world-famous reference range. With R-Series design, it's very simple. It's all about applying a little finesse which can go a mighty long way. Every aspect of R-Series has been considered to deliver clean, elegant looking designs.